Daisy!
Put Kalani in her place.
No, I never said that.
Yes, you most certainly
No,
did.
He found out he was deathly scared of balloons.